Today we're in Koh Samui, and even though we live here, we've been feeling like tourists lately because there are so many changes happening on the island that we're kind of behind. That's why today we're going to spend a day in Chaweng to see what's new here and also if it has recovered from being a ghost town for the last 2 years. It looks busy, huh?
I've never seen Chaweng like this.
So like this is Lupti, which is a very popular hostel, like for younger people. Lots of parties going on.
Younger people like us.
Yep. But this one also right here is Elephant Beach Club. A bit more like...
a little more expensive.
So the vibe at the Elephant Beach Club looks really good. It's quite busy. We have to move on though because it is a bit loud there for us to vlog. It seems like a good place to chill though, if you come to Koh Samui.
You remember this? It used to be the famous Akbar, like a big hip-hop party scene over here. But they tear everything down and change it to Surf Up.
It could be the same owners though.
It
not
is the
sure,
same owner.
But...
That's the owner right there.
Ah.
That's Mario right there. But yeah, they tear everything down. Looks totally different.
This is such a big change from how Chaweng was a couple months ago because now we can see that a lot of the resorts on the beach are open. Some of them are definitely new, especially if you go further down the beach. But it's nice to see that, you know, lots of families, lots of tourists, everyone just enjoying Chaweng Beach, which is one of the most beautiful white sand beaches in Samui.
Oh, nice menu. I love picture menu. A lot of the restaurants on the beach are a little more pricier. That's quite expensive.
Yeah, like look at this. I want to get a fruit shake, $125.
But you're paying for this.
Exactly, the view.
What are you getting? Fresh coconut for me.
Ooh, 2 coconuts.
2 coconuts? Okay. Whoa. Nice and cold.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
อันนี้เปิดนานยังครับเนี่ยนานแล้วเหรอครับแล้วไม่ปิดเลยเหรอครับช่วงโควิดไม่ปิดครับว้าว
So they were open all during COVID.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
We didn't notice it
because
because nobody was here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me open it. Oh, this is gonna be good because the coconut meat is young, so you can eat the meat too. This makes me happy seeing somewhere like this.
It doesn't seem like it's super busy, but I think it has a huge impact on the economy here already. With the businesses reopening, people getting rehired to work. It's a really good time for everyone, for the tourists, for the local people who work.
Yeah.
Yeah, for the business owners.
We don't come to Chaweng Beach very often, but I think we should start. There's a lot happening on this beach because the beach is quite long. Isn't it like 3 kilometers long? It says 7 kilometers long.
Making it the longest beach on the East Coast. Wow.
Learn something new every day.
Come for a walk, 7-kilometer walk.
Yeah. Do you want something there?
Maybe one of these ones would be nice. Or these ones look nice.
พวกช่วงนี้ขายได้ไหม
ยากครับวันนี้
ยังยากอยู่เหรอ
2-3 วันยาก
อ๋อ เพราะว่าเห็นมีนักท่องเที่ยวเยอะ
มันอิตาลีเข้ามาไง อิตาลีไม่ค่อยจ่าย
อ๋อแล้วคนจากไหนซื้อเยอะสุด
จากออสเตรเลียอังกฤษอย่างงี้
โอ้ interesting
เยอรมันเกาหลีญี่ปุ่นมาจีนมาก็โอเค
โอ้
อิตาลีนี่เรียนสิงหานี่ยากเลยสิงหา
ผมเป็นคนไทยครับ
เนี่ยเลย
ใช่
ไม่นะดูเป็นฮ่องกงอะไรนั่นนะ
อันนี้เป็นคนฮ่องกง
อ๋อฮ่องกง
พี่เป็นคนที่ไหนครับ
เป็นคนโคราชครับ
คนที่สานบ่
ครับ
คนขอนแก่น
คนแก่นบ่
แมนคนบันไพ
อ๋อมันไทย
บันไพเมืองพ้น
ครับครับ
How much is the stone one? 150?
150.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Good luck today for me. I working. Yeah. Good luck money. Come money.
Money come come.
เอ้ยดีคำครับขอบคุณครับ Thank you.
Oh, purple looks really nice on you.
Yeah. Nice.
Beautiful.
I'm like using the camera as
your mirror?
Looks nice. I like it.
He's so friendly too.
Very friendly.
Okay, we're gonna finish our coconuts and we're gonna check out the Chaweng Beach Road.
Let's see what's up there. That was so awkward.
Great!
Before we show you the beach road, we just want to say a quick thank you to today's video sponsor, Surfshark. If you travel, you should probably be using a VPN, which stands for Virtual Private Network, and it works by encrypting all of the information sent between your computer or mobile device and the internet. We started using a VPN because we often work at cafes, airports, and hotels, and we didn't want to risk having our personal information stolen by the bad guys that are snooping around the public Wi-Fi networks. But let's be honest here. Most people use a VPN to unblock geographically restricted content online, which simply means outsmarting Netflix by changing your location so you can watch your favorite TV shows or movies no matter where you are in the world. Surfshark is not only highly rated, but it is the only VPN that offers unlimited device support. So it's great for families who can share one account or for people like us that have way too many devices. If you're interested in trying out a VPN, Surfshark is now offering you 83% off and 3 extra months for free. You can click the link in our description box and use our code Flora and Note to grab the discount. So we're on Chaweng Beach Road right now, and not the whole beach road is open. It's kind of limited to some sections, but we do see a lot of massage places open, restaurants open, shops open. It is a really good sign that it is recovering. And for all those party animals out there, Chaweng nightlife is back. Of course, right now you won't see anything open yet, but we did come on a Friday night once, and Green Mango Club is open, Black Club is open, and a lot of restaurants, bars on the main road are open as well.
The guy just handed me this. Tomorrow, you wanna go watch boxing? We haven't seen it before.
No, we haven't seen it live. I'm not sure, maybe.
I think we should go watch boxing tomorrow.
Even though there are tons of food choices on this street, we are pretty close to one of our favorite local restaurants here in Chaweng, so we'll take you to eat there instead.
Oh, look at these.
Oh, they're fresh. Okay, I always have to get some of these batongo, which are deep fried donuts.
Yeah.
When we come here, so.
And let's get some whole soy milk too, yeah? Don't get too much, we're gonna go to the market after this.
But these are so good. I'll just get a little bit. Okay, oh, they don't have Cannon custard.
Condensed milk will be good.
Yeah? Condensed milk? Okay, let's sit down. So this restaurant is called Japan, and it is in a more local area of Chaweng. The food is very delicious and super affordable. We usually come here and it's mostly just local people eating here. We don't see that many tourists around.
And the best thing is, it's open 24/7.
Oh, it used to not be 24/7. It must mean there's a lot more people now, so that's a really good sign. So this place is famous for quite a few things. The dried rice porridge, which I'm going to get, and the stewed pork leg on rice. Ready to order?
Yes. It's pretty cool. He said he started from just selling batongo, just this, like a street side cart. And eventually he expanded and have a restaurant. And he used to have 4 branches in Samui.
He now only owns one?
Yeah, because of COVID. But then he said it's kind of nice to have just one store to take care of. so he can put all his love and energy into one place.
That's why their batongo is the best on the island. This one is my favorite. This one is the one with kind of like cinnamon sugar on it. It's like churros, you know? So I got 3 different types and they actually taste different. But this one with the sesame, the dough is a bit denser and a little bit sweet. But this is like the original. This is the original batongo, which is light and airy. And you break them into 2 and you eat them.
So I got braised pork knuckle on rice with boiled egg. Usually they just pour this all over the rice, but I don't like my rice wet, so I asked them to separate it. And the way to eat this dish is you have to use the vinegar sauce right here. Put it on top of the pork, accompanied with pickled mustard green, boiled kale, Chinese kale. Tastes a bit Thai chili, raw garlic, raw green onion. Can't wait to make out with you tonight. Wow.
So my dry rice porridge is a little easier to eat than yours, but it also comes with a couple components. So first I have the rice porridge here, and it has some meatballs, some boiled pork ribs, crispy pork, and an egg. And it comes with a little broth as well here, so a pork bone broth. And this is a really delicious spicy sauce that you just pour over everything. So you got the meatball, you got the crispy pork skin, garlic rice. Oh. It's so delicious. I get this every time. I think the last 10 times we came here, I ordered this.
What's the damage?
Wow, it's only 170 baht. So the batongo was only 15 baht. The soy milk, 20 baht. Yours was 60 baht and mine was 75 baht. So mine's the most expensive, but it is the most popular. And I just heard the table behind me, they all ordered dry rice porridge.
$5 for a meal. That's amazing.
That's crazy good.
In Koh Samui too.
Wow. You guys must come and try it. It's really, really good. We're now here at this market called Talat Namo Si Khao, which means the white market in front of the university. It has a huge selection of street food, lots of grilled meats, lots of fried chicken, desserts. But I think we are a little bit too full to be eating anything at this market. We'll just make a stop at one of Note's favorite waffle places and grab something to take home.
It's waffle time. สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีค่ะ
เอาวัฟเฟิลลูกเกด2
โอเคค่ะกันนั้นนะจ๊ะ
ครับผม Gonna make it fresh fast
Very nice.
ตลาดนี้เปิดนานยังครับ
ประมาณ3 เดือนแล้ว
3 เดือน
ค่ะ
แล้วเปิดกี่โมงถึงกี่โมง
บ่าย 3 ถึงเที่ยงคืนเลย
It's every day and it has been open for 3 months now.
Oh.
So it's fairly new
It's new and it's like super clean.
and the food is delicious.
ค่ะ
ขอบคุณครับ
Wait, you can actually eat it now?
Yeah?
You're not extremely full?
No.
Wow.
I have lots of room left.
Wow,
for
it's so
dessert.
full.
Ooh, nice and hot. I had a lot of waffles. This is one of the best. It's chewy and it's soft. Not too sweet. And the raisins?
And it's only 25 baht.
75 cents. That's why we got two. Want some?
No, I can't possibly eat anymore. I'll bring mine home.
Okay.
น้องมาเที่ยวหรือว่ามาอยู่ที่นี่อ่ะ
อยู่ที่นี่ครับผม ย้ายมาอยู่ได้ 2 ปีแล้ว
ค่ะนี่เป็นคนไทยนะคะหรือว่า
ใช่ครับผมคนไทย แฟนเป็นคนฮ่องกงแคนาดา เดี๋ยวมาใหม่ครับ
ค่ะขอบคุณค่ะ
Everyone curious about where we're from today.
Yeah, it's like the third person that asked us. Right?
Because I don't look Thai.
People tend to think that Note is from Hong Kong or Chinese or Japanese, and I am Thai or Korean. Are we really that confusing to people, like what type of Asian we are? Hope you enjoyed seeing what Chaweng is like now, so go ahead and go book those tickets to come to Koh Samui. As always, thank you so much for watching.
We'll see you in the next one.
Hey, have a wonderful day.
Oh, have a wonderful day.
What's with your waffle transition?
Oh no, just say it wasn't so. Just say you love me and let me fall back